can go.
So what I'd like to discuss today is building the shapes with value. So with this drawing, I've been working with the H and then the HB. So we're ready to build in more value, and this is the time I would approach continuing with the HB and doing more cross-hatching, or maybe jumping to the B. So let's try it first and with the HB. And you can see that it's giving me a little bit more value by cross-hatching. It kind of fills in the gaps. It's okay to go different directions. And as I need to go darker, I just move to a B. So I'll just work in this little area so you can see. The B will definitely show darker. And notice how I'm holding the pencil. I'm not bearing down on it, and I'm not pushing into the paper with a point. Even though I do like to sharpen my pencils and have a nice point on it, I'm not digging into it. Lay the pencil over slightly, like that, and just gently draw that way. And if in these tighter areas, you can get a little bit more specific. And then keep the pencil moving, looking for other areas to apply the graphite. So you want, again, working on the drawing as a whole rather than separate parts. And then I'll just work this whole area and then down into the feet area, the legs and feet, building the darks. And then up to the head, I can maybe do a little bit of work with the eye and the beak, but not much is needed there. I tried to avoid the eye so I don't overwork it. So moving toward these larger shapes is where I'm focused today. So yeah.